Right now, states across the South are moving quickly to redraw congressional maps after a major Supreme Court ruling limited part of the Voting Rights Act.
Louisiana has the green light to rework districts, while Florida lawmakers have already approved a new map that could shift seats toward Republicans. Mississippi is also considering changes. Democrats are firing back with legal challenges and even looking at redistricting in blue states. So what does this mean for Arkansas? That's where we start tonight. I'm Brooke Buckner.
And I'm Journey Taylor. Judges have dismissed all of the most recent redistricting cases filed in this state. Critics tell THV 11's Tanya Modizitsky the Supreme Court decision means they have now lost any chance of challenging racially designed maps.
Lyndon Baines Johnson and Dr. King beside him signing the Civil Rights Act, the Voting Rights Act of 1965 was probably one of the most monumental moments in American history because it brought to light so many that had been in the dark for so long, and this country grew. It grew for the better.
A U.S. Supreme Court ruling is reigniting debate over race, representation, and the future of voting rights in America. The 6-3 decision striking down Louisiana's congressional map, ruling race cannot be the primary factor in drawing districts, is now being challenged. Something political analyst Charles King says is terrifying.
It's devastating to African Americans and all minorities all over the country.
He says the ruling could have lasting impacts nationwide, including here in the natural state.
Arkansas is the only state that has never elected either a person to the federal government, being Congress or senator, or to a statewide office. So it's kind of like that part, Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act of 1965, never quite got its feet on the ground in Arkansas.
He adds the impacts may be felt most in smaller local races. U.S. Senator Tom Cotton says on X the Supreme Court rightfully blocked racial discrimination in redistricting. In Little Rock, Tanya Modizitsky, THV 11 News.
Tanya, thank you. We also reached out to Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders' office, who declined to comment at this time.